let's walk over here and see this shrub bed here, because this is what typically happens to unplayable lies here at the club. Let's say my ball is right smack in the middle of these shrubs, and I have determined that I can't hit the ball. It's so unplayable you can't even see it. Now, what are my options? Well, my first option, because this is going to require a stroke penalty. Remember that cart path rule, there was no penalty. So I got 1 full club length free relief. Now I've got a different situation. I'm going to incur a penalty for hitting it in this shrub bed here, and now I don't have any relief that I can take that's free. I'm going to get penalized. So what I'm allowed to do is I can take the point where my ball is and I can move this club 2 club lengths over. Now I have relief going towards the pin. I cannot go more than 2 club lengths, so when I get to here, I'd put my tee in the ground, knowing that somewhere between where the ball is and where that tee is, I must drop the ball shoulder height, arm's length. That's my first option. Now I can swing this around and I can go over here 2 club lengths or whatever on a radius from where the ball is. But I'm not allowed to go closer to the pin or the hole. Now my second option, I can take this point right here and I can line it up with the pin, and I'm allowed to go back as far as I want as long as I stay directly on that line and I'm not out of bounds or in a hazard. From that point, I'm allowed to drop the ball, once again, shoulder height, arm's length, and I can go back as far as I want to go. That should give me enough room to where I can hit it over top of these bushes or trees or whatever. But it must be on that line. Connect the dots. So I've got the pin, the ball right here, that's my line, and I can go back on that as far as I wish to go, as long as I'm not out of bounds or in a hazard. Now, if for some reason my only option is to drop it on a cart path, then I would drop it on the cart path, then I would take my relief from there. So, if you're in casual water, you would drop it into the casual water first, then you would take your relief from there. In other words, you must first solve the problem here of your unplayable lie. The third option, which no one likes to use if possible, is you can hit the ball again from the point that you hit it and got into this problem. In other words, this is just like out of bounds or a lost ball. Now it's called stroke and distance penalty. So my shot that got me in here is 1. My penalty shot is 2, and I would re-tee it if it was from a tee, or I'd hit it again from wherever I was. Where I hit this shot, I have to do it from the same spot, and I would hit it from there. So those are the 3 options on an unplayable lie. They're pretty much absolute, but remember, on this option, you're going to get a penalty. On the cart path, there is no penalty. Anytime you have an option, again, that you're getting free relief, it's only going to be 1 club length relief with the longest club in your bag, your driver. You don't have to use it, but that's the club you are allowed to use. The other one, anytime it's a penalty, it'll be 2 club lengths relief, but you're going to pay the penalty stroke price for that. Okay, I hope this helps you out, but these are 2 critical rules here at St. Andrews that you're going to need to know. And don't mind that mower over there. He's being paid a lot of money to cut this grass. Thank you.